constitution on purpose to transform this city. I will not betray that trust. In the year 2020, Nairobi voted for Mr. Benja that ended up being possible. The NMS experience experiments left us in a 16 billion shillings hole in many bills. Low staff morale due to mistreatment and a defilement from the provision. The functions bestowed upon the county government of Nairobi by the constitution will remain county functions, which are not transferred but not for any function of the county Nairobi. Nairobi is not a county, it is a county of city. So forced collaboration with the national government is inevitable. In fact, it is encouraged. But in the words of the former lady Prime Minister, the father of the revolution, we must contend. The revolution is the biggest evil here by our leaders in the 1 year the city is up, the talk about the capital city, to announce support, to infrastructure, but the city will continue to be governed as a county government and by the road. So for those who have been wishing or imagining that that is adventure would happen like in Nairobi. By the shouting, by this government, the also shall never fall that there.